Now let us remove read only from documents. Go to the document, open it, and find your way up here, file. And the info on the file says read only document. This is read only. So go to save as here, or you use this save as well. Please make sure you're saving it in your computer and browse the exact directory or the location you want to put the file in your device, in your computer. For me, I will go with desktop. Then edit the text for the file name. Just edit the text of the name in any way you can. Come down here to Tools, expand the drop down and select General Options. And in the pop-up here, read only is turned on. It is checked. Please uncheck it. Turn it off. Okay, and save. If this doesn't work for any reason, please come back to the document and right mouse click on the document and find your way to Properties. And you see this read only is turned on. Please turn it off, uncheck it, apply, and OK. Now when you're confirming the document, now when you open it, go to File, the info on the file says not read only anymore. Now you can proceed to edit the text whichever way you want it. I hope you find this video very helpful. You may consider subscribing to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. All these really do help me grow. And as I always do, thank you for watching.